All right, here we go.
Garbage.
The last thing was good.
You want to do it again?
Yeah, do it again.
How you like that?
Do another one. More choices.
One more time.
One more again? Yeah.
You want to play that pickup to the return of the head? You didn't
What-
play your pickup
what's
note
the-
to the return of the head. You want to do that right now?
Yeah, okay. You want me to play the whole,
Just the one note. No, the
to the head?
when we go back to the head at the very end, the last chorus, where you go, yeah, just play those two notes for a function.
Did you hear what he was saying, kid?
I did not.
At the end of my solo, when we, or no, at the end of David's solo, when we go back to the head, I missed one note, so I wanted to play that last head.
It's his pickup to the head.
At the end of the solo, when you go back to the,
At the end of Dave's solo.
at the end of Dave's solo,
Just the pickup note.
pick up to the next, pick up to the, let me find that.
Just that note?
Maybe play both of them so you have context.
Yeah.
That was perfectly timed.
I suggest making it a minor third.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Try it again. It's been a little far down. Same thing.
Too far down?
Too far down. Yeah.
Okay.
You need. Yeah.
To the tiny bit, yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
That's good.
Cool.
Alrighty.
That can't be how you're supposed to take these motherfuckers off.
That's all we need for this, right?
Yep.
Sweet.
Let's go to takes 3 then. Okay.
Hey, Dave.
Yes, sir.
On the other tunes we're doing too, are you going to be overdubbing your solos most likely?
No.
No. Okay.